Hi. In this session, we begin with percentages. This video is going to be about absolute basics of percentages. If you look at competitive exams like banking, RRB, Staff Selection Commission, you will come across these type of questions. And if you concentrate on higher educations like CAT, MAT, ICET, you will encounter questions based on percentages. If you come to campus hiring like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, lot of MNC companies will definitely test you on this particular skill, which is percentages. So definitely percentages is going to be one of the important topic in campus hiring, competitive examinations and higher education. So definitely you have to learn this particular concept. What you name the exam, definitely one or two questions will come. Okay, in some exams, you will encounter 25% of the syllabus regarding this particular topic. So let's get into the topic called percentages. First, I'll tell you the flow of our sessions. So first we'll understand the meaning of the percentage. Then we'll see the basic applications of percentages. Then we'll go to percentage to fraction values. Okay, then we'll go to basic form of calculations, and after that we'll look into successive percentage, and after that particular thing we'll go to the examples. So let's start understand the meaning of percentages. So let's get started. So first, what do you mean by percentage? Percent literally means per cent. Cent as in century. Thus, percent means per 100. Okay, I'm sure everybody can see on the screen the symbol of percentage. Percentage means what? 100. So if I want to tell you 100%, if I want to talk about skill percent, which means what? Skill should divide with 100. Skill should divide with 100. If I talk about 10%, which means what, guys? 10 by 100. Okay, 10%, A percent means what? A by 100. So on the same note, skill percent means what? Skill by 100. So percent literally means what? Per every 100 we will calculate what? Percentage. Okay, per every 100 we will calculate what, guys, here? Percentage. So first we have to understand what actually this symbol talks about. Guys, whenever you come across this symbol, something should be in the numerator and something should be in the denominator and multiplied with 100. So my basic question is this: what should be in the numerator and what should be in the denominator is the point. Okay, if you understand this basic concept, your job is a cakewalk. So let's see what percentage actually, this is what I have explained you. Per every 100, percentage means what? Comparison. So let's go to this slide. So percentage means what? What should be in the numerator and what should be in the denominator into 100, right? So what should be in the numerator? Percentage is nothing but comparison. Okay. So what we compare, that is always should be in the numerator. To whom we compare, that is always should be in the denominator. Okay. What we compare, that is always should be in the numerator. To whom we compare, that is always should be in the denominator. Okay, let's see. This is how your percentage equals to what? What we compare, to whom we compare, into 100. Okay, so let's see some basic forms of how you are going to compare. So let's see. A is what percent of B, which means what? A by B into 100. So my question is this: why A by B into 100 is the point? Why A by B into 100? Let's see. Let's say 20 is what percent of 30. When 20 is what percent of 30 means what, guys? Yeah, 20. I am comparing 20 with what? 30. So, into 100. So, if you calculate this, you will get your answer as 2 by 3 into 100. If you multiply 2 by 3 into 100, you will come across 66.66 percentage. Okay, so the point is this: I am comparing A with what? B. Okay, so A should be in the numerator, B should be in the denominator. Okay, if you know this particular thing, the job is a cakewalk. Okay, and let's go to the next statement. B is what percent of A? Vice versa. B is what percent of A? Yeah, I am comparing B with what? A. So B, let's say B is 30 and A is 20. So B is what percent of A? I am comparing B. So B should be in the numerator. I am comparing with what? A. So A should be in the denominator into 100. So if you calculate this, you will come across your 2 ones are 2, 5 and a 0. So which is 150%. So my point is this: lot of beginners will think like this: always smallest value should be in the numerator and the largest value in the denominator. That is absolute wrong. So what should be in the numerator? What we compare. What should be in the denominator? To whom we compare. Okay, please understand that. If you understand that particularly, the job is a cakewalk. Okay, I hope everybody understood this. Let's go to the next statement. A is what percent less than B? If I talk about A is what percent less than B, yeah, B minus A by B into 100. Yeah, why B minus A and why B into 100? Let's see. A is what percent less than B? Let me take few values. A is 20, B is 30. Okay. A is 20, B is 30. A is what percent less than B? Guys, in this particular statement, I am not comparing A, I am not comparing B. I am comparing less. Okay, how much less? A is what percent less than B? If A is 20 and B is 30, how much less? The less is nothing but 30 minus 20. Okay, which means what? The less is 10. And that should be, the biggest question is this: what should be in the denominator? The denominator is to whom we are comparing. Please ask yourself a question. A is what percent less than B? I am comparing with what here? B. So what is B? B value. I have taken few values, right? So what is B? B value is nothing but what? 30. So 1 by 3, that will give you 33.33%. 33.33%. Okay, see, my question is this: what we are comparing? We are not comparing A or B. We are comparing the less. How much is the less? The difference is the less. Okay, what is the difference here? Yeah, according to the numerical values, my difference is 10. But according to these particular things, the difference is what? B minus A is the difference, and I am comparing with what? I am comparing with B. That's what you have to understand. Okay, I hope everybody understood this particular thing. Okay, let's go to the next statement. A is what percent more than B? A is what percent more than B? Look at here. A is what percent more than B? In this particular statement, lot of people come across A plus B by B into 100. This is where lot of people do mistake. A is what percent more than B? In this particular statement, what is happening, guys? I am comparing not A. I am comparing not B. I am comparing what? More. Okay. How much more is that? The difference is more. A is what percent more than B? Let's take A value as 30, B value as 20. How much more? Yeah, more is nothing but again the difference. What is the difference here? The difference is 10. Okay, more means what? 30 difference of 20, that will give you 10. So 10 by, this is very, very important point again. What could be the numerator? The denominator is going to be what? B. So what is the B value? The B value is what here? 20 into 100. So your answer is going to be what? 50 percentage. Your answer is going to be what? 50 percentage. Your answer is going to be what here, guys? 50 percentage. Okay, so I hope you guys learnt a few things now. So let's go to the next. Yeah. So let's see some applications of it. Amit's salary is 20% more than Balu's salary. By what percent Balu's salary is less than Amit's salary? So there are two persons, Amit and Balu. Okay, so lot of beginners will confuse and they will end up their answer as 20%. So my sincere suggestion is this. Amit's salary is 20% more than Balu's salary. So first you have to decide whom salary is base. Okay, whom salary is base. So whom salary is base? So you have to take Balu as base. If Balu's salary is 100, what is Amit's salary? Amit's salary is what? 120. Why 120? 20% more. So which will give you what? 120. Now the question is this. What percent, okay, Balu's salary is less than Amit's salary? What percent Balu's salary is less than Amit's salary? What percent, guys? Yes. Now think about the basics. What should be in the numerator? Yes. The numerator is what now here? Numerator is what we are comparing. What we are comparing? How much less we are comparing. What is less now? Yes. The less is nothing but the difference. What is the difference here? 20. Okay. And the point is this, friends. What should come in the denominator? So the denominator is what? The denominator is going to be to whom we are comparing. Yeah, to whom we are comparing? Yes, we are comparing with what? We are comparing with what? A, Amit. What is Amit's salary? Amit's salary is what? According to our assumption, 120. So 20 by 120 into 100, which is 2. How many times? 6 times. So that will give you 1 by 6 into 100. So that value is nothing but 16.66 percentage. This is where our question begins. So the point is this. The moment you saw 1 by 6, you are able to say the percentage value of that, because fraction values definitely will not given on your option value. So definitely percentage value will be given. Okay, so the moment you saw 1 by 6, you are able to, you have to recollect yourself that yes, 1 by 6 value is 16.66 percentage. Okay, so this is where our next video begins, how to convert percentage values to fraction and fraction values to percentages. Okay guys, thank you.